Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to get a video clip on your CapCut application. So let's open the CapCut application first before we start. And now let's start a new project. So the project is the place that you need to have to start an editing. So whenever you click the new project, you will have an access into your phone storage of the videos, so you can find out or get your video clip from this site. So you just need to scrolling down and find out which video that you want to add to your project. But then if you have no interest video that you want to start editing on your project by CapCut, you just need to go click stock videos like here. Just click it, and after that there will be a lot of videos that already provided by the CapCut that you can use. You can use a scenery, an atmosphere, live, Halloween, and many more. There's a lot of videos that you can access. And after that, after you already find one that interested you, just need to click it, and after that just go click add. Okay, now you already have one video or one clip on your project. How to add more? So you just need to go click the clip, and after that bring the clip into bring these straight lines into the end of the clip, and after that just go click add this plus button, and you will have an access back into your video on your device or the stock videos that provide by the CapCut. Just need to choose another videos or another videos to be your next clip. And now you already have the clip on your project. So that's the way how to get a video clip on CapCut application. If you found that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.